In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter data into a Google Sheets cell. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be entering data into your spreadsheets in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. You can do this by entering Google Sheets into the search bar or by typing Sheets. Google.com directly into the URL field. This will take you to Google's platform for creating and managing spreadsheets online. If you haven't logged into your Google account yet, you'll need to do so at this point. On the Google Sheets homepage, look for a blue Sign In button if you're not already signed in. Click it, then input your Google account credentials, your email or phone number, and your password. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be back on the Google Sheets homepage. Here, you'll see any spreadsheets you've created or worked on, along with options to create a new one. Go ahead and click on the spreadsheet you want to use for entering data. If it's a new project, select the option to create a new blank spreadsheet. Once you're in your chosen spreadsheet, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're not already. The grid you see is composed of cells, each of which can hold a specific piece of data, like numbers, letters, or symbols. Navigate to the specific cell where you want to enter your data. You can move around using your mouse or the arrow keys on your keyboard. To enter data into a cell, double-click directly into the cell you'd like to edit. This action puts the cell into edit mode, indicated by a blinking cursor inside the cell. At this point, you can start typing the data you wish to enter. Whether it's a number, a formula, or text, just go ahead and type it in. Once you've entered your desired data, click anywhere outside the cell or press Enter on your keyboard to save the entry. This will take the cell out of edit mode, and your data will remain inputted. It's as simple as that. With a bit of practice, you'll find navigating and entering data in Google Sheets to be intuitive and efficient. That's it. You've successfully learned how to enter data into a Google Sheets cell. Feel free to experiment with more features, like formatting your entered data or using functions to perform calculations. Happy spreadsheeting, and make sure to check back for more tutorials to enhance your digital workspace skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.